Namaste. Right now, I am here in the Raghukedu temple located in Tirupamburam. The main deities here are Pambupuranadar, Vandar Pungurali, and Raghukedu. This temple is famous because devotees come here to help themselves to get rid of their Nagadoshas and their Raghukedu doshas. This temple's history is that one day Lord Shiva was meditating in the mountains of Kailasha. That time, Lord Ganesha came to pray to Lord Shiva and noticed Lord Shiva meditating. He did not want to disturb him, so he just joined hands and he bowed down and prayed to Lord Shiva. He did not respond, but the snake was feeling so proud of it. The snake, which was around Lord Shiva's neck, felt so proud of it, thinking that it was within Shiva. It was not different from Shiva. It was a part of Shiva. Shiva is nothing without it, and it was nothing without Shiva. It was feeling so proud of itself that even when Shiva did not bless, it blessed Ganesha. Shiva got angry of this and he knew how the snake was feeling. So he cursed all the snakes in the heaven. He told that all these snakes in the Swargaloka are feeling proud of yourself because you have devotional powers and you have the ability to stay in the Swargaloka. I curse all of you to go back to earth. You won't have any of your devotional powers or you won't have any venom in you. You will be harmless, roaming around the streets in earth. And this curse was given to the snakes. The snakes, not only the snake around Shiva's neck, all the snake species lost their venom, lost their devotional powers, and went back to earth. They were struggling for a very long time. They roamed all around Bhumi. They were feeling very hard to stay over there. That time, the Adishesha, the king of all the snakes, went to Lord Shiva and told, "We are struggling a lot. We cannot control this anymore. Please do something." Shiva told, "The curse is given. I cannot take it back. The only solution is that I will tell you what to do and you people can obtain Papa Vimochana." That time, Lord Shiva told the way to obtain the Papa Vimochana. It was that the snakes had to go to Tirupamburam, the Sheshapuri, and they had to pray to Lord Shiva. They prayed and the snakes got their devotional powers back and also their venom. And all the snakes went back to Swargaloka. So here we can see Shiva as Pamburanadar blessing all the snakes and giving them back their devotional powers. Dhanyavad.